What's up, YouTube? It's your girl ChericeShana, and I'm back with another video. This video, you guys, is an unboxing from some hair that I got from Amazon. I know you guys are like, another Amazon unboxing. Yes, sis, definitely another Amazon unboxing. I already filmed this video, you guys, but I need to refilm it because I did all the filming, and when I went to edit, the microphone was off, so it was silent. So let me go ahead and show you guys the box. This is the box that the hair came in. The hair is from Gem Beauty Supply. This is their luxury beautiful hair support for hair, weaves, extensions, and wigs. In this box, you guys, this is how it came. They gave me a wig cap. They have a little card in here, and it has their logo. And then on the back, it has a thank you as well as kindly tips on how to basically take care of the hair. So I got a 12-inch 13x4 closure. And I got 14, 16, and 18-inch bundles. So I got 3 bundles and a frontal. This hair is the Brazilian Deep Curly, and I'm just going to take out the frontal so you guys can see it, as well as take out one of the bundles. So I'm gonna start with taking out one of the bundles. The bundles come packaged in this plastic package with the length on it. And then when you open the package, the hair is also protected by a net, which I love. You can't be overprotected, you know what I mean? So let's take this out. So this is the hair, you guys. This one is the 14-inch. It is very true to length. It is also very full, as you guys can see, from root to tip. So I'm really excited about this. I don't think I'm gonna dye this hair right away. I want to wear it in its natural color first, and then later on I'll dye it. It looks very, very full, you guys, as far as the wefts are concerned. Now, with the shorter the hair is, like, the longer the weft. So you get a little bit more when the length is a little bit shorter. So this is how short the 14-inch reaches in its curly state. If the hair is up here, which it most likely will not be because I have a frontal. So this is the length of the hair, the 14, and then the 16 will be down here, then the 18 will be down here. So yeah, I'm only taking out one. I can run my fingers through it and puff up the curls some. The curls are very, very pretty. I'm interested to see what this hair is going to look like when the unit is fully done. I am going to be making this into a wig. I was going to do a sew-in, but I'm just tired of sew-ins because some days I want to rock curly hair, some days I want to have straight hair, some days I want to have wavy hair, some days I want black hair, some days I want red hair, some days I want brown. And with a wig, it's a lot more versatile, and because this is going to be a wig frontal, with a frontal, so it's going to be a front lace wig, I'm going to have a lot of versatility with it. So a wig it is. And let me go ahead and show you guys. As you can see, this hair is really, really full. I'm going to show you guys what the closure is looking like. So this is the closure in the package. And of course, it also is covered by a net. All right, so this is the frontal. This is how the frontal looks. The lace on the frontal is already tinted. And the closure came pre-plucked. And this is a 12-inch closure, you guys. So I'm really excited to have this wig made. I don't know if I'm going to be making the wig yet or my best friend will be making the wig. My best friend is a dope hairstylist. Her name is Chaotic Precious here on YouTube. I'm gonna put her information in the description below. And she also is on Instagram at Chaotic Block. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that information below as well. She's a dope stylist, you guys. Not saying it just because she's my friend, my best friend, but I'm saying it because it's true. So if she has time, she'll be making the unit for me. If not, I'll be making the unit. And if I make the unit, you guys will see it. So yeah, this is the frontal. It is very nice. There's no hair coming out when I pull on it, tug on it. No hair coming out. And that's something that I am really excited about. And yeah, so that's that hair, you guys. I'll see you in the next video and we'll talk some more. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a comment, click on the notification bell to stay updated with all the good stuff that I have coming, because I do have a lot of content coming up for you guys. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube and doing what I absolutely love to do, which is be a creative. So until next time, bye.